Welcome to TechX Media, live from GITEX Global 2025. I have with me right now Sanal Das, Sales Director, NMK Electronics. Welcome, Sanal, on TechX Media.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
So, Sanal, could you please tell us how is NMK moving beyond distribution when it comes to consultancy, training, or technical support to add more value to its partners?
Yeah, so as NMK, we have definitely moved away from the traditional idea of distribution. We do have a healthy amount of stock at any given point of time that is spread across the region, be it in our warehouses in Jebel Ali, in Dubai, in Qatar, and also in Saudi Arabia. But what our focus is today is on adding true value to the partners. Now, that can be with a bit of consultancy, a lot of technical support and trainings for our partners. We involve with system integrators and even consultants these days from the very planning stage of a project. So this helps us in providing system designs, selection of the right products, and also providing renderings and simulations, and also post-sales commissioning support as and when this. We've also built very strong facilities for both demo, experience, and trainers. We have probably trained close to 3,500 people last year, regionally. And I think that's a huge number considering the niche industry that we are in. We have had close to 880 end users visit our experience center last year. Now, this helps our partners to first-hand experience technologies. And not just that, it also helps them to bring their end customers so they can make faster, informed procurement decisions. So this is one thing that we truly believe in, to believe not just a typical distributor on timely delivery of products, but to add value where they can grow and also deliver seamless experiences to their customers in the best possible.
All right. So which sectors do you think are demanding right now, are driving the AV demand? And how is NMK tapping into those opportunities?
GCC is still a very active market for the AV industry, with Saudi Arabia being in the forefront with its developments and UAE trying to push the boundaries even further. With Vision 2030 that is spread across all the countries in GCC, I think there is a lot of global projects that is being announced, be in terms of entertainment and sports, cultural, and even infrastructure, where there is a huge requirement for AV spaces, immersive spaces, and highly reliable and scalable systems. Now, with this, what also tends to happen is, irrespective of the nature of the project or the scale of the project, people do require AV systems that seamlessly collaborate into their IT infrastructure. What we also see is there's a huge demand and change in the way people see control, right? End users now want unified control all across their systems, be it distribution of audio, video streaming, lighting, HVAC systems, or even IT infrastructure to be controlled at one point. Now that has really changed the shape how systems are designed, and at the same time has reduced complexity for end users, but increased flexibility, efficiency, and also in terms of how they plan their future with these systems. So at NMK, with the broader portfolio that we have, and covering almost every aspect, be it audio with Bose and acoustics QSC, control with QSC systems, with lighting, Showway, and with switching that involves maybe Luminex, Lightware, I think we close a lot of gaps and to try and provide an end-to-end solution for our customers. Like I earlier mentioned, with the kind of consultancy services that we provide and the technical support that we give, it also enables our partners to engage in these projects, which sometimes it becomes a win-win situation for everybody involved.
All right. So how is NMK leveraging Midwich Group's global expertise while tailoring its approach to meet the specific needs of GCC customers?
See, being a part of Midwich, probably one of the largest network of AV distributors globally, is definitely an advantage. But the challenge, or let's say the importance, is on how we get this global expertise synced to the local market, right? So that could be in terms of providing trainings both in English, Arabic, and all the languages that is expected out of us, providing hands-on support, getting technical expertise or reach to technical expertise and best practices into GCC. So that is where we come across. Like I think we are aligned, or our strength is in probably bringing the global expertise in line with the market dynamics, so it can resonate to what GCC expects on us.
Right. One important question: how are shifting client expectations around faster delivery, stock availability, and result-driven solutions, and is influencing NMK's strategy?
Yes, so this definitely has changed our strategy in the last few years. The customer expectations have changed in the last few years with a deeper convergence of IT with AV. I think there's a mixed bag of players that has entered the AV space. Companies with expertise on IT, security, all want to involve themselves and increase their capacity into the AV space. So this means not just product delivery, it also involves a bit of consultancy. It involves trainings, it involves letting people know how to design systems. And that is something that we are proud of. With our training facility, with our technical team and our sales team that is on the field, I think we cover all these gaps. With a workforce close to 140 people, we are probably the largest AV distributor in the region. And from our sales team to technical to logistics, we collaborate very strongly to make sure that the customer experience is met. And we focus not just on customer support, it's the broader customer journey that we're looking at, right? And with a broader portfolio, we tend to provide end-to-end solutions to customers. And sometimes, as I mentioned earlier, all the kind of technical support and operation that is required. So it's not just about delivering products or having stock. It's much more than that. It's being involved from the planning stages of a project to when it is handed over. It helps us sometimes to understand the project better, plan for the project better, and see what challenges are upcoming for us.
Very interesting, and thank you so much for joining us today, Sanal.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.